Here's how simple the 15-panel CLIA-waived cup is. Each one is sealed in its own pouch. Just tear it open and take out the cup. Twist off the cap. Fill it with the sample, right up to the line. Cap it back on and tighten until it clicks. It's completely leak-proof. Tip it on its side and nothing spills. Give it 2 minutes, then turn the cup around to the temperature strip on the back. A green dot means the sample is at a valid temperature. Now peel back the front label to reveal the test strips. In about 5 minutes, the results appear right on the strips. Read them simply. 1 line, just the control line, means positive. 2 lines, even a faint one, mean negative. And no lines, or only a line at the test position, means the test is invalid. So run a new one. Collect, wait, read. Shop now at 12 Panel Now. Best price, highest quality, and same-day delivery. Contact us today.